Hello my beloved, so today we're going to be making these super moist red velvet cupcakes. I'm trying to make something special for someone special. Don't worry, I got you. So now let's bake. Starting off with our dried ingredients, we'll be sifting our flour and our cocoa powder. Add a teaspoon of salt, whisk this and put aside. In a bowl, add a cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of sugar. Whisk this until it becomes fluffy. It's time to add our eggs, so I'll be adding my eggs one at a time. Whisk until it's well incorporated. At this stage, you'll be alternating between 2 processes, adding the flour mixture and buttermilk. I'll be mixing a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. Also be adding a tablespoon of white vinegar. Give this a mix. I'll be adding that mixture into the batter alongside with my vanilla essence and my red food coloring. To avoid over mixing, I'll be making use of my spatula from this point. I'll be transferring my batter into my baking cups, filling to 1/3 of each cup. I'll be baking this in a preheated oven of 350 degrees until a toothpick inserted at the center comes out clean. For my buttercream frosting, I'm going to be whisking my butter till it becomes fluffy. Then add my cream cheese and keep whisking. Yeah, so it's all creamy. I'll be adding my condensed milk and also giving it a whisk. I'll be adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional, so you can skip. Time to frost some cakes. I'm so sorry guys, your girl here doesn't know how to frost the cake. All my cake always comes out ugly, but ugly cake still tastes good, right? So we just got to deal with what we can. Do whatever you can and have fun while baking. We ain't professionals. I even tried putting on some tablet candies. Damn, I'm fancy, you know. So yes, it's a red velvet cake vibe. If you enjoyed this video, please can you give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Please subscribe. The button is down below, so just click on it right now. Subscribe, it means a lot to me. We got to grow the channel, right? So I got to destroy this cake. See you next time. I love you and stay blessed. Goodbye.